Hi, this is Anadi Madhu. I have kept my cycle in Master Sudarshan metro station parking area. So that is a specific parking for cycle. So, I will be boarding a train towards Gobi Shivas. From there I will take a train towards Satyajit and we'll get down and roam here and there and then come back and once again come back to Master Sudarshan and from there to home. So stay tuned for the entire journey. My cycle in the cycle stand. So let's see. So this is the cycle stand in Master Sudarshan metro. So this is Master Sudarshan metro station. So I have recharged my card. Actually I recharged from my smartphone. So I have just made up to date of my smart card, like bank up to date passbook. So now we'll be boarding a train towards Gobi Shivas. Gobi Shivas is 1845. So right now it's 1841 in next 4 minutes. So let's see. So this is Master Sudarshan metro station. So here we are going to board Gobi Shivas train. So we'll get down at Gobi Shivas and from there we'll take Orange Line train towards Hemanta Mukherjee and get down at Satyajit metro station, which is Highland Park or Metropolis Mall. And we'll once again take the same route to come back to Master Sudarshan. I think train has come. So we are going to take this train. Stay tuned.
গড়িয়া বাজার এলাকার জন্য প্ল্যাটফর্ম বা দিকে আগিয়া স্টেশন টার্মিনাল গড়িয়া বাজার এলাকা গিয়ে প্ল্যাটফর্ম বাই तरफ The next station is ব্রিজি এলাকার জন্য প্ল্যাটফর্ম বা দিকে আগিয়া স্টেশন শহীদ খুদিরাম ব্রিজি এলাকে গিয়ে প্ল্যাটফর্ম বাই तरफ The next station is শহীদ খুদিরাম.
I am in Gobi Shivas New Gadia railway station. From here Orange Line will be initiated towards Ruby General Hospital. So this Orange Line is actually going to airport, but Jai Hind Airport metro station has not been finished yet, still in the construction step, construction mode. So we will be going towards my Ravindra Potli flat railway station, Satyajit railway station, and from there we'll roam here and there in mall and then come back to same Master Sudarshan via Gobi Shivas. So stay tuned. So this is Ruby. This lane will go to Ruby General railway station line, which is our orange line. So let's go there. Take the underground route towards Ruby General metro station, that is Hemanta Mukherjee. So we'll take this route. Even lift is there, proper lift is there. Lift is there. See, it reminds me of Hanover railway station where it will directly go into the airport like this. Absolutely same path, but yes, Gobi Shivas to Jai Hind. Jai Hind is the airport metro station, still in the construction phase. So this reminds me of Hanover railway station connecting Hemanta Mukherjee is 7:20, right now is 7:01. So let's see, let's try and okay. Inside a metro station we are not supposed to exit out of the metro station. We can take any train towards blue line, orange line. When we are getting out of the station, then only we have to punch in or punch out of the card. So that's it. I think this is the way. It's very confusing, newly built. So lift is there. Where to? Towards Jai Hind. Jai Hind is actually the airport metro station, still in the construction phase, as already been told. So it has till Beleghata I think after Borun Sengupta Science City metro station, Beleghata. Till Beleghata it is done completely, but it is operational till Hemanta Mukhopadhyay Ruby General Hospital. So let's see. It's completely newly built, connecting Kobi Shivas Niguria metro station to airport line Jai Hind metro station. So nobody actually has so far used this thing. I believe very few in number, since it is not yet connected to airport Jai Hind airport metro station. So the crowd is less. The moment it will be connected with airport Jai Hind metro station, there will be more rush in this line. Orange line will be completely filled the moment it will be connected with Jai Hind. So Hemanta Mukhopadhyay train is next 15 to 35 minutes. So in the chart it is been mentioned from Kobi Shivas, that is Satyajit, then Jyotindranath, then Kobi Shukanto, then Hemanta Mukhopadhyay, then VIP Bazaar, Ritvik Ghatak, Borun Sengupta is the Science City, then Beleghata. Till Beleghata it has been completed. Line inspection has been completed. Then Gaur Kishore Ghosh, then Nolborn, then IT Center, then Novo Diganto, I guess, Nojrul Time, Shorno Bazaar, and not visible. Vishwa Bangla Convention Center is there. Shiksha Time, Mother's Wax Museum. We had been to this Mother's Wax Museum. It's very nice. Most of the wax statues of renowned celebrities from Hollywood, Bollywood, even contemporary educationists are created. Then Eco Park is there, then Mongol is there, and City Center too. Then Chinar Park, and then once again VIP Bazaar, VIP Road, and ultimately Jai Hind Airport metro station. So very long way to go. So far as far YouTube video information goes, till Beleghata line inspection has been done, and till Hemanta Mukhopadhyay the metro is currently running. So stay tuned.
Station Satyajit Ray. Station Satyajit Ray. Station Satyajit Ray. অনুগ্রহ করে গাড়ি এবং প্ল্যাটফর্মের মাঝের দূরত্ব।
So we are in the Satyajit metro station. Highland Park or Metropolis Mall is nearby. So we'll go there and let's see. So we are going to Highland Park, Metro's shopping mall. Metropolis Mall is Highland Park. So security told that left side is the Highland Park. So let's see from Satyajit metro station. Let's see how far, when we can able to reach Highland Park. I think there should be a direct connection to. There should be a direct connection to Highland Park. This is the biggest mistake, I think, because shopping mall is hardly 100-200 meter away from. So that the Highland Park terrace should be directly connected to metro station with the help of some hanging bridge or some floating bridge, whatever they have. Anyway, we have reached Satyajit metro station. We'll go to the mall and then do something here and there, and then we'll come back within 10 to 15 minutes. This is Metropolis Mall. Smart Bazaar is there. Inox is there. Sriniketan, everything is there. So basically a hangout place for students. Okay, so there is a nearby university is there. So like Jadavpur University, the hangout place is South City. So this nearby university's hangout place is Metropolis Mall. So let's See. Earlier this was Big Bazaar, I think. KFC, pizza, everything is there. Very old, very old. 20, 18, 19, 20 years old. It's an amazing experience because this Satyajit metro station, I'm the only person on the Satyajit metro station platform. So within 3 minutes, train towards Kobi Subhash will come. So this Satyajit metro station, I have Ravindra Potli flat. We used to stay over there for some time with my family. But right now everybody resides in Madhuvilla only, Bhagajiti. So we'll go there. So the poster, the electronic display is not visible enough to capture this video. So it is written Rubimore, Science City, Nico Park, Eco Park, Airport. So this Hemanta Mukhopadhyay orange line will go to these places. Nico Park since 90s, I think people are aware of. Eco Park is far better than Nico Park right now, and Science City. It will go to the City Center 2 also. City Center 1 will go by, I think, Purple Line, Shialda to City Center 1, Salt Lake Stadium line. And this is orange line. This orange line will go to City Center 2 via Nico Park and Nico Park. So, and finally reach the Jai Hind Airport metro station. Once again we'll take this train towards Kobi Subhash. Kobi Subhash, there is a local train also lies along with metro station. So we'll take a train towards Dakshina, get down at Master Sudarshan. This is ticket vending machine of metro station. You can issue a smart card wherein you can recharge the smart card with the help of Metro Ride Kolkata app, and you can get this up to date from this vending machine. Once it is up to date, then the entire card will be recharged. So this is a problem with the smart card. Since you are recharging from application, smartphone, it should be recharged then and there only. We should not use any vending machine to get that recharge up to date. So Metro Ride application authority should take care of this. So after getting down at Kobi Subhash and then finally reaching the Master Sudarshan, I took my electric bicycle from that electric bicycle parking area. So I didn't have to pay anything because I had the Kolkata smart card, so it was free of cost. The parking is free of cost. They will do the surveillance as well. So after taking the electric bicycle, I reached my home Madhuvilla. The Madhuvilla is hardly 3.2 km away from Master Sudarshan metro station. So it's very nearby. Similarly, my flat Ravindra Potli is around 1.5 km. You can reach Satyajit metro station by walking only. 1.5 km. 1.5 or within 1 km, I think. So you can understand my flat is hardly 1 km away from Satyajit metro station, and my home Madhuvilla is hardly 3.2 km away from Master Sudarshan metro station. So both the residing places are connected with metro station as well as local railway station, Bhagajiti railway station. So that's it. I believe that you have found this video very interesting and memorable, because most of the people are using local railway station or metro station either by using a rickshaw or 2-3 wheelers or 4 wheelers. But this is the first time wherein I used my electric bicycle from my home Madhuvilla and then parked that electric bicycle in the parking area in the then that Master Sudarshan metro station, and from there I roam here and there in the metro. It is a very pathetic or sad
apart from metro authorities, that they are providing the ramp for climbing up the platform of metro station with the help of cycle, but they are not allowing cycle to go inside the metro train. So it's a very pathetic, or it's very ironic in nature, because why they are providing a ramp platform in order to use any vehicles to ply on the platform, and since they are providing but they are not allowing, so it's very ironic in nature. But anyway, I believe that this kind of things are being provided to allow at least bicycle to ply inside the metro train. In abroad, this kind of situation is there, and they are simply allowing bicycle to ply inside the metro train, such that after getting out of the metro in other metro station from other places, you don't have to use any vehicle, or you don't have to hire any vehicle as such. So it's a shame from Kolkata Metro Railway Corporation. They should try to rectify this. I believe that the senior citizen, or the senior citizen and physically challenged people, that seat could be clubbed with normal people, because since when the senior citizen and the physically challenged people are coming out of their home and to roam here and there, they should get the equal warmth and affection from normal people. So I believe that seat for senior citizens and physically challenged people should be completely removed, and that seat should be clubbed with normal people sitting area, and the space which will be evacuated, that senior citizen and physically challenged seat, that place could be utilized for keeping our bicycle in that place. So in abroad, this space is generally being used for keeping the bicycles in the metro train. So it's a earnest request to metro authorities to take care of this situation, because physically challenged and senior citizens both are required equal affection. They don't require a privileged treatment, such that if they get a privileged treatment, they will feel alone and they will feel isolated. So I believe that their seat should be completely clubbed with normal people, and such that they can easily mingle with the normal people when they are coming out of their home. So, and that space which gets created after removing those senior citizen physically challenged seat, that could be utilized for keeping the cycles, especially cycles there. So I believe the metro authorities should take by this time, because since 1984 this kind of metro train is flying in Kolkata, and they have not taken any initiative. But in abroad, in those days also, they have already created a provision for keeping cycles inside the metro train. So kindly, metro authority, please take care of this issue. And that's all. If you feel like giving a thumbs up to this video, please do so, and please subscribe my channel Ronnie's Identity in YouTube. I wish you a happy Vishwakarma Puja. Good night.